we've temporarily paused the sale of food and beverages on board. We'll be back shortly to offer a complimentary snack with water or juice. Remember, if you drop your device and it's out of reach, don't move the seat, just ask for help. We want to reassure you that to ensure a safe and clean environment on board, our aircraft undergo rigorous and thorough nightly cleaning. We've also cleaned the headrest and the top of the seat in front of you between flights. This is done with a new antibacterial and antimicrobial cleaning agent that sanitizes and provides long-lasting protection. This aircraft is also fitted with HEPA filters which capture greater than 99.9 of airborne microbes. To minimise movement throughout the cabin and to avoid gathering in the aisle, please stay in your assigned seat whenever possible. If you need the toilets, please stay seated until they're available. A red cross will be illuminated on the overhead toilet sign whenever the toilets are in use. Before we arrive in Melbourne, it is important you are aware that as the result of COVID-19 in Victoria, additional health measures are now in place. A permit system is in place for all passengers travelling to Victoria. The Victorian Public Health Directive requires everyone in Victoria to wear a face mask covering when indoors. Face masks must be worn on disembarkation at all times when in the airport. You'll also be required to wear a mask when outdoors if you can't maintain 1.5 metres social distancing from others.